Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are replacing a Jandy PDA. This thing's about 15, 20 years old. The problem is the new ones, when you go to replace it, you can't just replace the PDA anymore. Now you have to, let me get it out of the box. You also have to put up a new antenna. They've changed the software so that the new PDAs, they look different. There we go. Doing a terrible job with my wrapping. But anyway, the new ones, you see they're white and black compared to the old blue ones. There. Okay, the old ones and the new ones. But the new ones won't interchange with these without changing the antenna. So follow me. We're going to go change the antenna on this one as well. Show you how it goes. So we're going to come back to the main equipment. We're going to install the new antenna. Here's the old one. We're going to take it out, replace it, and then we also have to run it back into the box. So let's start by turning off the power. And on this one we'll have to go to the control panel. Be right back. Okay, now that the power's off, we will start by removing the cover. Nice catch in the box. Okay. Let me bring you guys in close. Here, this is where the antenna plugs in. This box right here at the top. So we'll take that loose, and that'll go to this antenna. We'll reconnect that. So first thing we'll do is disconnect that. We'll remove that box. Keep this red connector. They do not include them in the kits anymore. So just connect the 4 wires. Remember the colors: red, black, yellow, green. It's also on the inside of the door right here. That tells you the sequence to put them. Just make sure they're in the right order. We'll get our new antenna. Well, you know, they do include it. Okay, we're just going to put it back where it was. We're going to stick it right here and then run our wires in. And don't cut the wire with power to it, because you'll ruin it. But they give you enough wire. You probably got 75 or 100 feet of wire here. You can move it as close to the pool as you need it. Cut off enough wire. We'll splice it. We'll fish this up through the bottom first. Otherwise the connector won't go through there. Just remember the sequence: red, black, yellow, green. I'll plug that in like so. Okay, now the last step is put the batteries in the remote. You guys probably remember back when they didn't screw these things on. Well, you young guys won't, but they used to just clip in place. Now everything's got to have screws on it because kids started eating batteries. Don't know why. You know, we got to save the world and the kids. So, okay, just make sure your pluses go plus and minuses go minus. Make it easy. Put it on, put the screws back in, save a kid. You definitely want to snug these up good because this controller is water resistant. And there's a seal on there. You want to make sure you get it, the battery case tight so that no moisture gets in there and eats up your batteries. Then we'll hit the power button. Okay, we see that light up. It says waiting. It's waiting to connect to the antenna. We'll turn the power on. We should see it connect. So now we've got it set up. We can turn the pool on. You see it changes to off. We can turn it back on. And whatever program we already had in the computer is still in here. So we don't have to go change anything. That was the easy. Just change it out. So now you've seen it. We're just installed the Jandy Pro Series. Just keep in mind, if you are, bring the old one with me. This is the old antenna. This is the new one. So if you have to upgrade your controller, keep in mind you also have to upgrade the antenna because the new controllers won't work with the old antennas. Okay, so now we've got it set up. It's going to connect to the antenna. It says waiting. We're on channel 10. And it says connected. And now we have complete access. If your neighbor has a swimming pool, and let's say his is also on channel 10, because a lot of times they'll come from the factory on the same setting, you can go in and change the setting, change the channel, so that you're not using the same one, because you don't want your neighbor to turn on his hot tub and it actually turns on yours. So if that's the problem, you can go in and change the settings. Okay, so if you need to change the channel, just press the up and down button together for a few seconds. There it goes. It changes. It tells you what channel you're on. Use the up or down buttons to go to the next channel, and that'll change the channel on the remote. And then you have to go to the antenna and press the learn button, and it'll learn the new channel. So if you need to change the channel, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.
Just like your garage door opener.